For our third week of DiNovember, we are going to be learning how to draw a Ceratosaurus. So the first thing we're going to do for our Ceratosaurus is draw a V, a capital V in the top left corner of the page. Then we're going to draw two circles to the right of the V, and we are going to put pupils inside because these are his eyes. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to give him big angry eyebrows. Then we're going to draw a curved line from the second part of the V and a line attaching the bottom of the line you just drew to the bottom of the V. Then we're going to do a curved line from the top part of the other line and draw it down to just below the eyes. Then we're going to draw the spikes on top of that line. Next, we're going to draw a curved line, and this is going to be his beak. And draw a line from the bottom of the beak to almost attach to the other line. Then we're going to draw two little dots for nostrils. And a couple of bumps are going to be for his teeth. Then we're going to draw a line from his mouth down at an angle, and then another one from a bump around his mouth and down next to the line you just drew. Then we're going to do a curved line, and that's going to be his back into his tail. Then we're going to draw two little arms coming off of his body. One behind the neck, and then one in front of his neck. Next, we're going to draw one of his legs, and we're going to start with two curved lines from just under his back. And then we're going to connect those with a line at the bottom. And draw little toenails and a spiral to show the crease in his knee. Then we're going to complete his tail with a line from his leg to the tip of the tail. Then we're going to draw the rest of his belly, connecting from just under the arm to the leg you just drew. Then we're going to draw his other leg, which is going to just be an L from his belly to his other leg, and you'll fill in the details. Then we're going to do bumps along his back. Now we're going to outline him in black Sharpie and color him in. Once you're done with that, you have your very own Ceratosaurus. You can name him or give him a speech bubble or anything you'd like.